How is the value of a statistical life calculated? Imagine trying to put a price tag on human life. It sounds strange, but in public policy and law, this idea helps us make tough decisions. The value of a statistical life is a way to measure how much money people are willing to pay to reduce their risk of dying. It's not about valuing any one person's life, but about understanding how society values safety improvements. The core idea is based on willingness to pay. For example, if someone is willing to pay $1,000 to lower their chance of dying by 1 in 10,000, we can use that to find the value of a life. We divide the amount they are willing to pay by the risk reduction. So, $1,000 divided by 1 in 10,000 equals $10 million. This means society is willing to pay $10 million to save one life based on that person's preferences. To get these numbers, researchers look at how people behave in real life. They might survey individuals about how much they would pay for safer cars or safer workplaces. They also analyze market data, like how much extra workers are paid to accept riskier jobs. If workers are paid more to work in dangerous conditions, that extra pay reflects how much they value safety. These observations help us estimate the willingness to pay for small risk reductions. However, calculating the value of a statistical life raises ethical questions. Some argue it reduces human life to a dollar amount, which feels uncomfortable. Politicians use this number to decide if safety regulations are worth the costs. For example, if a new regulation costs a lot but saves many lives, the value of those lives helps justify the expense. But it also shows how economic considerations influence decisions that affect human well-being. In practice, the value of a statistical life guides policies like reducing air pollution or improving road safety. It helps determine whether the benefits of a regulation outweigh the costs. Policymakers must balance these economic calculations with ethical concerns about fairness and human dignity. There are challenges, too. Different groups may value safety differently, and research biases can affect the estimates. The value can vary depending on income levels, cultural attitudes, or specific contexts. Despite these issues, the value of a statistical life remains a key tool for making informed, transparent decisions in public policy. It reminds us that behind every number is a real human interest, and finding the right balance is always a careful process.